Here's our stock in focus, and this is Tiffany's, and this is a real important consideration when always looking at this these kind of situations here, is that you try to make things make sense here. Just try to find the where things are just kind of falling together, and what the action looks like. A lot of times we get so caught up in the name, or what is what the company's earnings and all this other things, or what product they're coming out with, and we just don't want to look at its past and where it has been. You could see, right, as just looking at this very simply, you could see that on the MACD you're starting to see some loss of momentum potentially. You also see that so far it's kind of holding a channel here formation, but it had a recent good corrective move back to the 100. We also see, quite frankly, that there was a prior high here, so we know that this has been a little bit of a downtrend or corrective action here. And the more we look at the longer term picture, the more that makes sense. You could see what we're really seeing with Tiffany is a continued downward sideways action here that really hasn't resolved. If anything, it's resolved itself to the short side of the market. You could see so far we're seeing lower highs and lower lows as prices are still going through a corrective longer term action. And when you look at it from the weekly, it makes a lot of sense of what you're starting to see. What we just did is a very simple technique, just drawing the retracement from the main swing here, and you could see how the 50-day, the 50% retracement here caught this price action. But if you look at the moving averages, you could see prices are under the 100 and the 50-day moving average here, and having a very tough time as it tries to rally. Now we